What's up, mates? In this video I'm going to show you how to change MAC address on your interface using the Macchanger package. This setup will work on Debian based system like Ubuntu, Mint, Kali and etc. Let's run the command IP address. As you can see, this is our Ethernet interface and this is our MAC address. The first 3 octets are the manufacturer address and the secondary 3 octets are the individual unique address that we got on a network interface card. So why you should want to change your MAC address? Well, that is unique identifier of your hardware and of your computer. And in your local network, layer 2, Wi-Fi, your computer is being identified by your MAC address. As well, some services of the web also logged your MAC address with other information they're gathering about you. So let me show you how you can change your MAC address. First, let's install the package that's called Macchanger by running the command sudo apt install Macchanger. Enter your password and it's been installed. Now if you choose yes, it will change randomly MAC every time you boot, but for now we press no. Let's clear the screen and let's see the option what we have. So Macchanger minus help. So I will use in this short tutorial this one -s and this one and this one and this one and this one. Okay, so let's start with Macchanger -s. That will show us our MAC address. So sudo Macchanger, our interface enp0s3 -s. Okay, as you can see, it shows us the correct MAC and the permanent MAC. Now let's change the MAC address to whatever we want by running the command sudo Macchanger, our interface enp0s3 -m. Let's give it like arbitrary address like AA BB CC 112233. Okay, it changed the address, as you can see. And if you run the command IP address, you can see the address has been changed. However, it won't survive reboot on our interface. Let's bring back the default MAC address by running the command sudo Macchanger, our interface name -p. Okay, back to default. Now let's create some kind of random by running the command sudo Macchanger, our interface name -r. Enter. See, we got random MAC address. You can do it again, new address, and do it again, new address. As well, if you run the command IP address, you see this is the random MAC address. Now I'll show you how to make it permanent, that it will survive a reboot as well. Every time you boot the machine, you get all random MAC address or a MAC address you already set. Let's create a screen. Let's make it permanent by running the command sudo tab -e for edit. Choose the first one, the easiest. Okay, let's go down. Now if you want that every reboot will get a random MAC address, just write @reboot Macchanger, our interface -r. Now let's save, do yes, and when you reboot you get a new MAC address. Now if you want permanent address, just change it to -m and the address that you want. So let's try AA BB CC. Now 321233. Okay, Control X to save. Yes, let's see the address we have. So that's the address. No, let's reset to the permanent, the real MAC address -p. Okay, that's the real address that we got from the factory. Now let's reboot and see if we get the new address that we just set up. Okay, let's run the command IP address, and as you can see, AABBCC 321233. And if you want remove those configuration, just run again the command sudo tab -en. Let's try now with just delete this. Control X. Yes, and when you reboot you get your original MAC address. Okay, that's the original address. Let's try with a random MAC address. at reboot Macchanger and the interface -R for random. Let's save. Yes, reboot. You see, new address. Let's try again. Reboot. Okay, new address again. Now if we want to go back, we can delete the command. Control X to save. Let's change the interface back to the original MAC address by running the command sudo Macchanger, the name of the interface, -p. Run the same command, the Macchanger, the interface, and -l in the end in order to get a vendor list that you can spoof the MAC address and it will look much more authentic. As you can see, this is the list, you can use it. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you all the best. If you have any question, just write in the comments. Like the video if you would like to support the channel, and have a lovely day. Cheers.